Hey there, it's Celeste, and I wanted to share how you can find your old AI chats with one click. I don't know about you, but I've been using AI for over a year, and sometimes it's so hard to find my old chats. But when I came upon Sintra, they just released some new features that help you really find your old chats really, really quick. So, if you don't know about Sintra, it is an AI, basically a set of AI helpers. It's 12 employees, AI employees that work for you. I started off with one after I had the program for like 24 hours. I was like, I need all of them. So basically, you can log in. Once you get in, you have your brain and your workspace, and these are all the employees here, all 12 of them. But what I want to show you is the ways that you can easily find your old AI chats. Now, it does have 5 brains. I'm in my main brain up here. And so right here, I noticed this button came up a couple of days ago, chat history. Chat history, that button has saved my life. So when I click on it, it will tell me what I did today, when I did it. And what I love about this is it'll break it down by the helper. So if like Gigi was helping me with some stuff, I'm writing some things for a web page, and Gigi is just the is that Gigi? No, that might be, hold on, let me see. It's one of them. Gigi's been helping me a lot. And then Pen is similar color, but does copywriting. And so you can go back weeks into your chats to find out where you did it. Like if you know I did it a week ago, you can go back and see where you got it. And one of the other things I love is I can actually go in and rename these. Okay, so let me find something I want to read. So let's see. Okay, so this is one of my. Let's see what happens here. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to go back in there. But hold on, let me go back to that chat. What did it say? Class norms. I was writing up some stuff for my classroom. Okay, let me just pick anyone. So I can click on these 3 dots, click rename, and I'm just gonna call this spreadsheet. I've already done what I needed to do, and hit enter, and I've changed the name of it so it'll be easier for me to find the next time I'm looking for it. So this button here, the chat history, allows you to go in and find your old chats, and you can go back as many weeks as you need to. Like you can see here, I've been using the program approximately 14 weeks, and so all of my chats go back that far. I'm not sure how long the chats, how far back they're going to hold them, but at this point, as I've been using, you see how many chats I've done just in this brain. I have 5 brains, as I told you here, which are the little centers, and I have them broken down into my different businesses. And so I just wanted to show you that if you were trying to find your old chats, you can do chat history. And if you haven't tried Sentra yet, you really should, especially if you have multiple entities, multiple businesses, or multiple different things you use AI for. Like me, I use it for school. I use it for some things as I'm a leader with my church. Use it like I said, school, but I'm a teacher, but I'm also a student, so I use it for that. And I use it for my other businesses, and it really helps me. All of these 12 AI helpers really help me keep myself together. Today we're talking about chat history. That simple button saved my life. And hopefully you all will take a look at Sintra and see what it can do to help you as you're growing your business or your organization. And there are a couple of coupons out there for it if you want to try it out. If you go in the description, I have something available to help you get started. Alrighty. So, as I said, find your AI chats really quickly. Find them in one click. That one little icon will save your life. Alrighty. Hope you all have a great and an amazing day. And thanks again for watching. Subscribe, follow me. I'll be sharing some more content on how you can use AI to make your life easier. Alrighty. Thank you. Bye bye.